Hey guys, welcome back to a different episode of Home Built this week, and we're on a road trip at the moment, off to pick up another car, because I don't have enough already. Yeah, so basically we're off to Melbourne, so that's it's about an 8-hour drive, heading down. It's a beautiful day, nice to finally sort of get out of the house for a little bit, and yes, I know I have a lot of projects already, and this is another addition, but it'll make more sense later. Okay, so you saw that we did a big road trip. We came all the way down from Sydney, all the way down to Melbourne to collect a car, and this is the car I'm getting. This is the new project car for the channel. It's a 2003, I believe, Audi A6 V8. Something a little bit different. Alright, well, I'm sorry I didn't get to film much of the actual trip going down there and coming back. Particularly coming back, we ended up having to drive through the night and race back. But we have the new car here, so let me get it off the trailer and then I'll go through the plans for it moving forward. Okay, so now the car's off the trailer, why have I got myself an Audi? And basically, you've seen me build a lot of classics on this channel, and I sort of think it's time to start moving into the modern classic era, and this, I think, is an iconic era of Audis. They're pretty cheap at the moment because they're sort of in that lull period, but I think they will go up again. And this is not a perfect car, but it's not a terrible example. I'll take you around now and just give you a bit of a look at what we're dealing with currently. So on the outside, this car is actually pretty straight. There's something going on here with the bumper sort of unclipped and not looking great. There's a few little chips and scratches on the bumper itself, but it's not too bad. The car does look like it has been resprayed at some stage, and the paint actually looks quite good. It's actually in pretty good nick. I don't think there's a lot to do there besides touch up some stone chips, etc. Going around the outside, it's actually got these S5 style wheels on it. I think they may be copies, but it's got these on it, and it's also got coilovers in there, which is quite a good addition. Inside is the main place where it needs some love. Most of it is there. Doesn't seem to be a lot that's broken. This seat is sitting in a really upright position, and the seat controls aren't working, so that's the first thing I'm going to have to tackle in there. The steering wheel is looking very worn and tired, and a lot of the buttons are coming off. That's not great. Same with the center console. This Navigation Plus system is powering on and actually seems to work at this stage. You can see there is a little bit of mold and stuff in here. It's been sitting around for a while, but I don't think it's going to take that much to get this thing back on the road. So currently the car has no battery, so there is a bit of custom modification. To start the car, you need to connect the negative terminal up there. The positive terminal is currently kept in a stubby holder so it doesn't short on anything, so I need the jump start pack to start the car. So engine wise, this car is a 4.2 litre V8 auto. which would be good as a sort of daily commuter sort of traffic car. It does have some headlights that need a little bit of cleaning up, but overall the engine seems to run pretty well, except for the PCV. That basically is leaking and making it honk like a goose. So it starts up at the touch of the key. Sounds pretty good, except for that strange honking noise. It's quite bizarre. So I think this is going to be a fun, quick little project. I don't think it's really going to take too much to make this back into a nice little runner, nice sort of comfortable daily drive. I think it should be fun. Or I could just tear the engine out and put it in the Rockster.